I'm Dr. Anthony Amala Jaisili. Today I'm going to talk about the general characteristic features and classification of class Pisces. The study of fishes is called as ichthyology. Ichthy plus ology is equal to ichthyology, which refers to the study of fishes. Fishes may be defined as ectothermic cold-blooded aquatic vertebrates having jaws, gills, fins, and skins covered with scales. Let us now see the general characteristic features of class Pisces. Class Pisces includes all the fishes, and all the fishes are cold-blooded aquatic vertebrates having jaws, gills, fins, and scales. These are chordates as their embryos develop notochord. These are placed under the vertebrates since they have the vertebral column. They are placed under craniata as the cranium is found around the brain. They are placed under the superclass Nactostomata since they have jaws. In fishes, the process of respiration is carried out by the gills and they move about with the help of the appendages called as fins. Here, the nostrils do not open into the pharynx. The fishes have jaws which are hinged. The skin of the fish is covered with scales. Scales are dermal in origin, and there are four different types of scales present in fishes. They are placoid, ganoid, cycloid, and ctenoid scales. In the early development of fishes, notochord is formed, but as they grow, the notochord is being replaced by the vertebral column. In fishes, lateral line sense organs are present. The eyes present in the fishes, they are suited well for vision in water, and these eyes are not provided with eyelids or the tear glands. The heart of the fish is S-shaped. It has two chambers with one auricle and one ventricle. It receives only the venous blood and hence it is called as the venous heart. The alimentary canal of the fishes are well developed with stomach and pancreas. The endoskeleton is less massive than the terrestrial vertebrates. The visceral skeleton, it is being formed of the pharyngeal wall associated with the gills, and these are well developed. The fishes do not have the fleshy muscular tongue. In the brain, the cerebrum has the primary olfactory center. The skin contains mucus glands. Regarding the kidneys, it is of mesonephros type. The fishes have 10 pairs of cranial nerves and the sexes are separate, that is, both male and female fishes are noticed. Fertilization may be internal or external. So some of the fishes they lay eggs and some of them they give birth to the young ones. Hence they are oviparous or ovoviviparous or viviparous. The best examples of fishes are shark, mullet, tilapia, etc. Next, moving on to the classification of class species. Fishes, as we know, these are cold-blooded aquatic vertebrates having jaws, gills, fins, and scales. During their developmental process, the embryos develop the notochord, hence the fishes are placed under the phylum Chordata. They have vertebral column, hence they are being placed under the subphylum Vertebrata. The fishes have cranium around the brain, hence placed under Craniata. They belong to the superclass Nactostomata as they have jaws. Fishes are included in three classes, namely class Placodermi, class 2 Chondriothics, class 3 Osteothics. These three classes of fishes together are placed under the class Pisces. Class Placodermi. These are the first fishes which belong to the class of Nactostomata. Placodermi fishes are extinct fishes, and these fishes lived during the Mesozoic era. These are also the first jawed vertebrates. So most of them are from the fossil records. Class Placodermi includes the extinct fishes, and these fishes had plate-skinned fishes, and hence here the body is being covered by the bony armor. These are the first fishes, and the examples are Cocosteus. Class 2 Chondriothics. These are the cartilaginous fishes. Most of them are marine, living in the seawater. And these fishes, they are being covered with scales, and especially the scales are of placoid type. In these fishes, the mouth is located on the ventral side, and the fin, the caudal fin, is heteroceral. That is, they are not equally divided. So these fishes, chondriothics, they have the heteroceral caudal fin. There are 5 pairs of gill cliffs. The gills are present without the operculum. They have 2 spiracles, and the jaw suspension is of hyostylic type. There is no air bladder in the chondriothics. Chondriothics have 5 pairs of aortic arches, and the heart has the conus arteriosus. The nostrils do not open into the mouth, and the kidney is of pronephros type. The kidney has a scroll valve, and there is a pair of claspers in the male. The fertilization is internal, hence the development is ovoviviparous. The examples are sharks, skates, and the rays. Class Osteothics includes the bony fishes. There are representations from both marine as well as from freshwater forms. The mouth is terminal in position, and there are 3 types of scales observed in osteothics. They are ganoid, cycloid, and ctenoid scales. There is presence of operculum which covers the gills. The caudal fin is either homoceral or differential. Presence of air bladder is noted in class Chondriothics. The spiracles are absent. The best examples are Clematis, eel, sardinella, hippocampus, latimria, and the lungfishes. Lungfishes are the connecting links between the fishes and the amphibians, as they show both the characters of the fishes as well as the amphibians. They have scales covering their body just like the fish. There is presence of gills and the lungs. The gills is a character of the fishes, whereas the presence of lungs, it associates them with the amphibians. And hence lung fishes are considered to be a connecting link between the fishes and the amphibians. The order Dipnoi includes the lungfishes, which means they are double breathers. They possess both lungs as well as gills for the purpose of respiration. Hence, they exhibit aquatic as well as aerial respiration. Dipnoi are the only fishes with the external nostrils, and all the fishes are freshwater fishes, and they also exhibit discontinuous distribution. They resemble the amphibians, and hence they are also called as the uncles of amphibia. Dipnoi and amphibia have considered to have originated from the same ancestor, as they possess lungs. Example, Neoceratodus, Lepidosiren, and Protopterus. Dipnoi exhibit discontinuous distribution. So lungfishes are present in different parts of the world. Neoceratodus is the Australian lungfish. Protopterus is the African lungfish. Lepidosiren is the South American lungfish. And these are the examples of lungfishes. And they are considered to be the connecting links between the fishes as well as the amphibians. So this is the presentation on the general characteristic features and the classification of class Pisces. Thank you.